Welcome back to another video, guys. Please remember, guys, like up the video, share, comment. Yes, guys, share out the video, comment. Thanks for watching. Listen, guys, I'm in the supermarket here. I come to purchase other items, but when I look down to the bottom of this shelf here, I see Vegie Chunks. Guys, it's been a while since I've ate Vegie Chunks. I so love Vegie Chunks. And here, there's a wide variety. As you can see, this one here, yes, there's a wide variety. Look at this one. Wide variety of Vegie Chunks. Look at this one. I have to take a pack, guys. I have to take a pack. This is the smaller version. Yeah, this is the mince one. While they have the chunky. Yes, it's this big chunk. Wow. Wow. Vegie Chunks. Vegie Chunks is very good for us, guys. Help to soften up our stool. The fiber inside. Yes. Helps to soften up our stool. Look at the price for Vegie Chunks here. $337.50 a pack. They have different packaging. Right? Chiplet. Veggie chiplet. Small. Non-meat, guys. So you would eat Vegie Chunks instead of meat. Right? Fish. Yes, chicken, pork. For those who don't want the meat to eat. Yes. Delicious chunk here. Very healthy. So love it, guys. Helps to soften up our stool. Right? Veggie Chunks. Veggie meat. Delicious taste. So guys, you can try this one. Yes, you can try this one. Comment in the comment section, guys, if you ever eat veggie meat. Veggie Chunks. I so love this. Gotta take up a pack, guys. Gotta take up a pack. Right. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please remember to share out the video. Share, guys.